Government must be done to grow implemented educational trust.
Good evening, once again, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for the question. Can you please repeat?
I'm asking what do you think must be done to grow implemented educational trust?
I believe that to grow the educational trust, they should promote more youth activities such as this and more sports and educate young girls and men to do better in life. Thank you. Implemented educational trust is an organization that relies on volunteers. If you are proud the way it's united, what would you bring to the table as a volunteer?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for the question. I would make sure that I help all the youth by promoting and helping them to work on their emotional stability, their confidence, and I'll make sure that Impumelelo is in every branch of every city.
Natasha, what is your favorite event of Impumelelo Educational Trust? Can you please give me two reasons?
Come on, I'm proud of these kids. I did a very good job. I'm proud. Thank you. I did. I'm proud.
Just give me.
I'm proud of you guys. All of you. Them.
Thank you so much
For educational trust.
Thank you so much for the question. My favorite event is when Impumelelo Trust hosts events to encourage young kids, and the second one is to improve our self-confidence. Thank you so much.